How to delete a Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete a Facebook account. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. After the latest update, there are a few changes within the application on where you'll find the settings. So let me guide you through. First, you want to open up Facebook. Then you want to tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner below the messenger icon, and then you want to tap on the settings icon just there. Once under settings and privacy, you shall find this option that says account center. As you can see here at the very top, account center, manage your connected experiences and account settings across Meta Technologies. So you want to tap on it and this should open up. Now here what you want to do is you want to tap on the option that says personal details, where you'll find the option that says account ownership and control. Tap on deactivation or deletion, select your Facebook account. Then if you want to deactivate account, make sure that the blue dot is on deactivate account, but since you want to delete your account, tap on delete account and make sure that the blue circle is on delete account option. Tap on continue. It will ask you why you want to delete. You can select any option that you wish and then tap on continue, enter in your password, and your account will be processed for deleting. So this way you can delete a Facebook account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.